Hey there, ocean explorers! Are you ready to dive into the cool world of beluga whales? These amazing creatures are some of the most fascinating mammals swimming in our seas. Today, we're going to explore some fun and kid-friendly facts about beluga whales that will leave you amazed and maybe even smiling like a beluga yourself. So, grab your snorkels and let's plunge into the chilly waters of beluga wonder. The chatterboxes of the sea. Beluga whales are known as the canaries of the sea because they are very vocal. They make all sorts of sounds like chirps, whistles, and clicks to communicate with each other. True social butterflies, belugas love to hang out with their friends and family. They live in groups called pods, sometimes with hundreds of other belugas. Imagine having so many pals to swim with. Incredible mimics. These clever whales can mimic the sounds they hear, including human voices. So, if you ever meet a beluga, they might try to copy your words. Master blubber artists. Belugas have a thick layer of blubber under their skin to keep them warm in icy waters. It also helps them stay buoyant, like a built-in life jacket. Wow, weren't those beluga whale facts just splashing fun? From their chatty conversations to their snow-white smiles, belugas truly are some of the coolest creatures in the sea. Remember, it's important to protect these gentle giants and their icy homes. So, the next time you hear about belugas, share what you've learned and spread the love for these magnificent marine mammals. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning. Happy beluga adventures, everyone! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates on our expedition to the underwater world. Until we meet again, take care and bye.